Okay, we just finished installing a Clifford 3105 on this Hummer H1 2000. This thing is all decked out. It went to the shop to get all restored. He finally got it back after a year. Yes, you heard right, a year. It took a year to get this thing all done, but it came out really nice. It's been a project. It's been a project. Actually, the truck is for sale now, but anyway, make a long story short, to disarm the alarm, you're going to hit unlock. Okay. Close the door. You're going to hit lock. Okay. Locks your doors. If anybody bangs on the glass or try to bust out the key lock, they will fire off the alarm, prevent the truck from starting. It comes with 2 remote controls. It's got panic button. If you hold the star down for 5 seconds, it got panic button. I'm gonna go ahead and pound on the glass for a second. We went ahead and changed it to air horn, so it sounds pretty loud. But anyway, this was done here in Miami, Florida. It's actually like we've done maybe me personally in my career, I've done maybe like 4 of these since 1987. So it's not like a common car that everybody drives, but there you go. This is the Clifford 3105 installed here in Miami, Florida. Thank you for watching this video.